You can tell by the way she walks that she's my girl. You can tell by the way she talks, she rules her words. You can see in her eyes that no one is her chain. She's my girl, the super. It's okay, I got lost on the way, but I'm a super girl, and super girls don't cry. And then she say, it's alright, I got home late last night, but I'm a super girl, and super girls just fly. Nothing can go wrong when you're in love.
I was young and stupid. So, do you have any superpowers? I guess I can make myself invisible. And you? Can you fly?